today we're going to make a tutorial of how to use a dictionary and some sounds,
some words,
and pronunciations.
how to pronounce the words with these sounds.
And well, we have this dictionary. You can buy a dictionary in a library or in the OXXO. Just kidding. But we have this dictionary. It's an Español-Inglés, English-Spanish dictionary, but it's like a Bible. It's so big. And we have in the first part, we have just Spanish pronunciation, words in Spanish, and how to translate to English. But we have another part that we have the words, the part that we are interesting is like have the words in English, have the pronunciation, the meaning, and what else? And the sound from some letters that it's like if you don't know how to pronounce a word, just find it in a dictionary and it's going to say to you how to pronounce that word. And it's alphabetic, like A, B, C, D, E. Everyone knows the alphabet.
And we give it to you 10 examples with these sounds or letters.
Yeah.
Kind of like
it's like you say this and you say, oh my God,
how can I pronounce this?
Yeah. Well, in the front, in the top on the dictionary, we have a word, and this is your guide, your guide. Yeah. It's like it says act. I know that is A C T. I'm going to find words with A C T or something like similar. Yeah, similar. Well, and this is the dictionary.
This is what we are going to use and what we are going to say.
We're going to find some words with these kind of sounds, and we're going to explain how to pronounce that sounds. Okay, let's start. Well, the first sound that we have is with the letter A, but this sounds with the smaller line in the top sounds like A. Well, we have the word A. Sounds like A. We have the word say. And this sound we can collocate in this part. The pronunciation of this word is said. Said. A. Okay? And then we have it's like this. You can find a word in the dictionary. You will find this word, but in the pronunciation you will find like this. When this line is the top of this A, who try to say to you that it's going to sound A. Said. Said. Okay? Well, then we have the sh. That sh. Like if you were say to somebody, please be quiet. Shh. It's like this. Shh. Okay, we have the word usual. Usual. usual, usual. And we're going to collocate this sh in this s, and it's like we have a schwa too. Usual, usual, usual. You know, usual. And these are two words.
We are going to continue with the words, and the next sound is this, and it's an A with two little points, and it sounds like R. And we are going to use the word scar. Scar. And it pronounced like scar. Scar. The next sound is with Z, and we are use the word zero. It sounds like zero. Zero. And we have to pronounce like this. Zero. Zero. The next sound is U, but it sounds like a short U, like like cup, cup, cup. And for example, this word cup. What is cup? It's like a young lion or bear fox. And the pronunciation of this word is cup. Cup. The next sound is the O. It sounds like a long O. Hope, like hope. And for example, the word hope. 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 And the pronunciation for this word is hope. Hope.
Okay, the next sound is like this, and it's like a long U. For example, a moon. And the pronunciation for this word is this. And the next sound is H, but sounds like, and the word is heart. And the pronunciation is heart. And the next sound is ng, but sounds like ng, and the word is ring. And the pronunciation is and the next sound is like O, but it's a short O. For example, the word is hot. and the pronunciation is hot. Hot.